Hello friends and welcome back to Elixir Talks. Today we are tackling a common question for homeowners. Seller's market versus buyer's market. What it means to deal with these markets. Whether you are thinking of selling or buying, understanding the market conditions can make a big difference. So let's unfold the key differences and how we should navigate these as a buyer or a seller. Imagine a scene with multiple offers flying in. Bidding wars are commonplace and home selling above asking price. That's a seller's market in a nutshell. Here is what it means for you: high demand and low supply. Buyers are plentiful and homes are far and few. This creates fierce competition, driving prices up. In the GTA region, this was the norm in last quarter of 2021 and first quarter of 2022. Multiple buyers vying for your property can significantly increase your selling price. More often in such markets, you will see classic multiple offer situation. Your home is likely to sell quickly, sometimes within hours of listing coming up in the market. In a seller's market, the seller holds the upper hand. You have more leverage to negotiate terms favorable to you, like closing dates and inclusions. If you are a buyer in a seller's market, it can be challenging. You will need to act fast, be prepared for competition. It's crucial to have a cushion in the budget and be ready to make quick decisions. But do not get overboard in price you pay. As if the market subsides, you have lost your immunity and pricing advantage. So if you are buyer in a seller's market, still remain as objective as possible in the whole process and do not get emotional on a property. Now picture a calmer scene with more houses on the market and less competition. That's a buyer's market, which is currently happening here in GTA. And here's how it plays out. More choice. Buyers have a wider selection of properties to choose from, allowing them to find their dream home. They can take their own sweet time to compare between properties and settle for the one best meeting their aspirations. With less competition and less buyers, sellers may be more open to negotiating a lower price for a credible and a qualified buyer. Buyers have more leverage on negotiation and to address deficiencies identified during the home inspection. Buyer is the one who is calling and driving here in the buyer's market. The urgency to buy or sell is lessened, allowing for more focused decision making. But what if you are a seller in a buyer's market? It can be tough. You may need to price your home more competitively, be patient with the selling process, and be prepared to make concessions to attract buyers. You have to wait for the right buyer finding value in your property. The marketing material, brochures, social media campaigns, staging elements, all of these become far more important for us as a seller in a buyer's market. As a seller, we need to make sure all our listing material stands out in the sea of listings. If you are selling, a seller's market is ideal. You can potentially sell quickly and for top dollar. And if you are in for buying, a buyer's market offers more options, potentially lower prices, and greater negotiating power. The current market is more tuned towards buyers for both first-time home buyers and move up. If you are a seller in the current market and don't want to buy or enter again, you should rather hold on to your asset and not sell at this time. At Elixir Real Estate, we are here to help you navigate both sellers and buyers market. Whether you are buying or selling, our team is dedicated to ensure you get the best deal possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more real estate tips and insight. See you next time on Elixir Talks.